Thank you for visiting the Waterkotte website and our Violent Crimes Lawyer in St. Louis's website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with a violent crime in the state of Missouri, we can help you. Don't face the state and court system alone during your violent crime charge. Contact one of our Missouri violent crime defense lawyers today at 314-900, help to protect your rights and future. Waterkotte is committed to handling all violent crime defense cases with confidential care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, regardless of the crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's talk about hiring our violent crimes lawyers in St. Louis and setting up a free consultation in the state of Missouri. Violent Crimes Lawyer in St. Louis. Protect your freedom and future. If you have been arrested or charged with manslaughter, battery, homicide, or any other violent crime, you will want to have an experienced and knowledgeable St. Louis violent crimes lawyer that can defend your rights and freedoms. Waterkotte knows that sometimes situations can get out of hand, so we are not here to pass judgment. We will work very hard to get your charges reduced or outright dismissed. However, if we end up going to trial, we will formulate an effective criminal defense strategy that improves your likelihood of a positive outcome. St. Louis Violent Crimes Defense Attorney. At Waterkotte, we have an impressive record of defending clients accused of violent crimes in St. Louis and throughout Missouri. Our attorneys will work with you one-on-one to determine the best course of action in your case. Waterkotte fights hard to protect our clients' interests. Contact one of our St. Louis criminal defense attorneys now at 314-900-HELP. We possess a deep knowledge of the criminal justice system and will know the right actions to take in building your strong criminal defense. Our personalized approach to legal services is unique among criminal defense lawyers in St. Louis. Unlike other firms, we make sure that your case will not get lost in the shuffle. And, if you want personalized service and want to access your attorney at any time, day or night, you should call us at 314-900-HELP for a free, confidential conversation. Defending yourself against violent crime charges in St. Louis. Defending violent crimes in St. Louis and anywhere in Missouri requires a combination of legal and professional skills that not all attorneys possess. At Waterkotte, we provide you with an honest and realistic opinion about the likely outcomes of your case. To start, we will review your police report, physical evidence, witness statements, and any other evidence for your case. Our attorneys will then look at your past criminal record, if you have one, to see whether you could potentially face repeat offender treatment from the judicial system. We will then develop best and worst case scenarios and provide you with our expert opinion on different options to take for your case. Once we agree on what strategies will limit your negative outcomes, we will work diligently for a successful outcome. What to do if you are accused of a violent crime in St. Louis or Missouri? The National Institute of Justice defines a violent crime as a crime in which a victim is harmed by or threatened with violence. The FBI goes on to categorize them as murder and non-negligent manslaughter, forcible rape, robbery, and aggravated assault. If you're accused of any such crimes in St. Louis, it is undoubtedly a serious matter. Knowing what to do after being arrested or indicted is crucial, and our St. Louis violent crimes attorney suggests you take the following steps. Call a lawyer. Having an attorney available to work on your case as early as possible is critical to getting a successful outcome. A good lawyer can help review police reports, gather evidence, talk to witnesses, and build a strong defense. They can also look for potential ways to get your charges reduced or outright dismissed, or plan an effective winning trial strategy. Don't say anything. When police say, "Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law," while reading you your Miranda rights, believe them. Saying the wrong thing during investigations could potentially change the outcome of your case and give prosecutors ample material to prove guilt. Having a good criminal defense lawyer is crucial in this regard, as you would want to tell the truth, but in the correct way. Understand that you are innocent until proven guilty. Sadly, in this day and age, simply being accused of a crime automatically makes you guilty in the minds of many people. This can deeply alter your mental health and make you consider things that you would never do under better circumstances. Luckily for you, your saint. Lewis Criminal Defense Attorney understands what you are going through and can help you see points of light in a world of darkness. How can violent crimes defense lawyers in St. Louis, Missouri, can help me? At Combs Waterkotte, we've dedicated our careers to helping good people in bad situations. The specifics of our defense strategy will be based on the specifics of your case. Our criminal defense attorneys will conduct a thorough investigation into your case. Look for weak spots in the prosecution's case. Make sure your rights were not violated during the police investigation. Fight to keep evidence out of court if it was not properly obtained. Keep you up to date on your case at all times, and be available day and night. Seek to have your charges dismissed. Advise you on plea deals to have charges reduced, and defend you at trial if required. St. Louis, Missouri. Violent crime defense cases we handle. Combs Waterkotte employs various approaches when defending our saint. Lewis clients' rights in reckless driving cases, including assault and battery, gun charges, carjacking, disorderly conduct, murder, involuntary manslaughter, leaving the scene of an accident, kidnapping, and sex crimes. What are the penalties for violent crimes in St. Louis and Missouri? The sentence for being convicted of a violent crime vary, depending on the nature and severity of the charges, your previous criminal history, and the skill of your violent crimes defense lawyer in St. Louis. Under Missouri sentencing laws, the punishment for a violent crimes conviction can range from fines, to probation, to mandatory counseling, to weeks or months in jail, to years, decades, or even a lifetime in prison. Under Missouri Revised Statute Section 558.011, the terms of imprisonment, including both incarceration and conditional release, are Class A felony, 10 to 30 years, or life. Class B felony, 5 to 15 years. Class C felony, 3 to 10 years. Class D felony, not more than 7 years. Class E felony, not more than 4 years. Class A misdemeanor, not more than 1 year. Class B misdemeanor, not more than 6 months. Class C misdemeanor, not more than 15 days. Certain violent crimes, like murder, or certain crimes against children, carry unique penalties under Missouri law. Why choose Combs Waterkotte for your St. Louis, Missouri Violent Crimes Criminal Defense? If you've been charged with a serious violent crime, you need an equally serious saint. Lewis Criminal Defense Lawyer with ample experience in criminal defense cases to fight the good fight for you. If you want a St. Louis, Missouri attorney that will work with you to protect your rights and freedoms, Combs Waterkotte is your best option. We will work aggressively to defend you throughout your case, and will provide personalized legal solutions tailored for your situation. When you're ready to make the right decision about your criminal charges, please contact us using our contact form or by calling 314-900-HELP for a free case evaluation.